Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm sharing with you this adorable gingerbread wreath, so if you guys want to see how I made it and what I used, then please keep watching. Alright, so here are the supplies you will need. I got this 20-inch wreath from Walmart. It was less than $3, as you can see. It is super basic, nothing fancy. Then I got this little set of little mini rolling pins and a cookie cutter from Ross. Then you'll need some picks, some variety of embellishments. These are from HobbyLobby. And then some ribbon and some floral wire. Alright, first thing we're going to do is fluff out our wreath. This is a 20-inch basic wreath from Walmart. So we're just going to go ahead and spread out all of those branches. Next, I'm going to take all of my little utensils. This one originally was a Santa, as you can see, but that's not our theme. So I'm going to take these stickers from HobbyLobby, and you can add Mod Podge, but it seemed to stick pretty good for me. I'm just going to put that on the white spatula, so it is a gingerbread man. Alright, so now I'm just going to take this red and white gingham. I got it from Walmart. It was less than $2. I'm going to make some little bows with it. We are going to attach it to our utensils just to add a nice little touch. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut little dovetails into them. Makes it look a little bit more whimsical. Now we're just simply going to attach the bows to the utensils. Now I did find this set from Ross. It was less than $5 for all of this. They do have them at Walmart. You can find them many places. I will try to find something comparable down below, but the best price that you're going to find is going to be at stores like that. Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshall's, one of those. Like I said, it was $5 for all of these. You can't beat that. Alright, now I'm just going to get my placement right. I'm going to add my rolling pin, my spatula, my whisk, my cookie cutter, just try to get it where I want it. Now do keep in mind you are adding a bow. I am taking this bow from another project that I used last year. But now that we've got the placement right, I'm going to take my floral wire and attach it to the utensils and then attach it to the back of the wreath. Just try to make it as seamless as possible so you can't see that green floral wire. As you can see, I kind of tucked it in between there on the whisk, and then I'm going to tuck it through the little handle, and that is it. So here's what we've got. Once we've got everything attached, it is very secure. It is not going to go anywhere. So now I'm going to take these little ornaments, little gingerbread boy and girl ornaments from HobbyLobby and these candy cane ornaments from Walmart. And I'm going to again get my placement right, make sure I've got it where I want it. This is so much easier than trying to glue it as you go. You can kind of see where you want it to go, or you can change it. I recommend doing this before you start gluing things down. Those peppermints I did get from HobbyLobby in the craft section. So now I'm going to take my floral wire, attach it through the little hole there at the top of the ornament, and then again twist it and attach it to the back of the wreath there, or around the little branch. Again, this makes it super secure. I am going to be putting this inside in my kitchen, but if you want to put this on your front door, I highly recommend you use the floral wire to attach. It will be so much more secure than just hot gluing it down. Alright, now we've got everybody secure. I'm going to go ahead and put that bow back on there. We're going to attach it this time with some floral wire, just like I did with everything else. Going to wrap it around, twist it, make sure it's good and secure. Now you can use any bow, you can make your own, you can buy one. It's completely up to you. Now we're going to take those picks. I got them from HobbyLobby. We've got some red and white, some red, white, and green. Now I am again just putting them down. I'm getting the placement right, and then I will go back through later and hot glue it in just to make sure again it is secure. Now I'm going to take the peppermints and hot glue them to the branches. This is the only thing that I really hot glued besides the picks, because I put two branches together and made sure it was really secure and used a ton of hot glue. But these are so cute. I'm glad I found these peppermints this year. They're really, really hard to find, but I think it adds a nice little touch. Now again, some more embellishments from HobbyLobby. This was in the mini tree section. They're like smaller peppermints. I'm gonna glue those down. And then I decided at the very end to add some more embellishments to our little gingerbread men. The boys, I added some of these little candy canes, again in the craft section at HobbyLobby. And then on the girls, I added some little mini red bows, also from HobbyLobby, to the top of their hair, trying to cover up that, that hole there. It came out so adorable. I'm so excited to put this in my kitchen or even in my dining room. It is so, so sweet. Alright guys, that's it. This video is short and sweet today. I just wanted to share this wreath with you guys. It is a couple days before Thanksgiving, so my family and I are getting things ready. I hope everyone has a happy and safe Thanksgiving if you participate, but I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
Doesn't matter, it is Christmas.